In front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files and click on it. If you don't already have it on your smartphone, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Files to download free app from Google Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit Continue. Tap on gray switcher next to allow access to manage all files, and last but not least, select the Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!